Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. If you're first time visitor, there are hundreds of videos in this where you can go through them and you can enhance your trading knowledge. And we have playlist as well in this where you can have intraday, positional, swing and even investing. So go through this. Let us see today one strategy which can give you good profits. This strategy is trend trading strategy. So let us dive into that strategy and let us work on this strategy. So before that, people are asking stock picking ideas. Stock picking ideas, stock selection and strategy associated with it. We have playlist here. Still, it's tough for you to go through those videos and understand. Then go to NSE India and take this top 5 gainers, top 5 losers. And you need to get this from 9:30 to 9:45. Better take this in 9:45 and start trading after 9:45. If Nifty is 50 plus on positive side, see today is 378 points positive. So work only on positive stocks, these 5 stocks. If you want more stocks, if you click this one, you'll get 10 stocks also, top 10, right? If Nifty is negative, minus 50, minus 75, minus 100, work only on negative stocks, this 5. In that case, you don't get positive stocks. When you click view all, then you will be getting 10 stocks of negative stocks where you can do only on short selling on that particular one. And check here advances and declines. If advances are more, this is Nifty 50, so you'll be having 50 stocks. Actually, it's 51, but Nifty 50 we'll call it. So advances are more than declines, then work only on positive stocks. If declines are more than advances, then work only on negative stocks. Keep this in your mind. This will help you to work. So what we do now today, it's heavy positiveness. So we'll work only check on this positive stocks, right? Next, what are the important things one person need to master on price action without any indicators and other stuff? Then most important stuff is candlestick pattern. There are lot many candlestick patterns you need to master in that, but at least if you master these candlestick pattern, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, morning star, evening star, hammer, reverse hammer, at least to start with, if you master this, these are the prices reversal situation. Bullish engulfing, if that forms at the support, price will go up. Bearish engulfing forms at the resistance, price will come down. Morning star at support, price will move up. Evening star at resistance, price will come down. Hammer candle at support, price will go up. Reverse hammer candle at the resistance, this we will call it as a hanging man as well, price will fall down. So master these stuffs. Apart from this, we should have the chart pattern also. Triangle pattern, ascending, descending, all this stuff. M pattern, W pattern, double top, double bottom. Slowly and steadily master this. These are all you need to have the price action that you can work independently without having any stuff. Main important in the stock market, I usually say that higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. If stock is making in that way, see this higher high, higher low. Then again higher high, higher low. What that mean? This high breaks, then it will become higher high. This low, it's moved from here, then higher low. If price is going in this way, then probably this is your entry point, or else on breaking on top of it will be your entry point, right? If this breaks, then probably this will be support for this and it will take from here to top. Similarly, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, that we call. So now you may be short selling from here, or else breaking on this point, or else taking the support from this point. Sorry, taking support from this resistance coming down could be your entry point. So you need to select stocks accordingly. If you are taking a Nifty 50 stocks, that what we saw, those are all positive stocks. That means this will be like this. If you select on the negative stocks, those will be in this way. Or else any stocks, large cap, mid cap, small cap, if you identify them in this way and select them, then you can have lot of success. If you identify these stocks, if you go wrong buying here also, price will again go little down and come up. Similarly, if you short sell some, picked up some short sell stocks like that, lower low, lower highs, and by mistake, if you purchase somewhere here, price will go little up and again it will come down. So your success rate is more if you select these kind of a stocks, right? Now we jump into one intraday strategy and we'll see how that strategy works and give us good money, right? So now as our channel is for beginners to up to 2 years, or those who are making losses, make them into the speed by reducing their losses, we use indicators because indicators will help you to identify trend as well as where to buy, where to sell kind of a situation by meeting our candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, lower high, this kind of a stuff that we can see, right? Now what we do, we take one stock and we'll add the strategy that we are going to learn today. Reliance Industries, or else we can pick the stock from this top one, this thing. So we are not picked from this, but Reliance Industries done very well. So if stock is moving like this, if you buy here, price will come down. If you buy here, price is coming down. If you buy here, price is coming down. If you buy here, price is coming down. Where to buy is more important. For that, we use indicators to get an entry level, exit level, right? We are not taking much indicators, but to start with, the people who are very beginners. Now, I find some comments that we should not use indicators and all. Those people are professionals where they moved from beginners to 2 years to advanced level. They still see indicators and they feel it's not good to trade with indicators, that they feel, because they know that if they draw trend line from here to here, that is the point wherever price is touching there and finding reversal, that is some kind of an entry point for them. For us, as we are beginners, so what we do, we add few indicators and we work according to that. So let us go to the indicator section and just type MACD underscore X. We are here using double MACD buy and sell kind of a indicator in this. This is the double MACD buy and sell indicator. Now we need to tweak a bit in this to have exactly what that we are looking for. Just have this and remaining stuff that we don't want any stuff. You can remove all, or else you can remove all these divergence lines. Keep this 4 intact. Few divergence lines still exist. Let me remove them. Remove even this. So we are having these two and below this 4. Just press OK. Just observe what is happening. When you see a crossover, see price is coming from there to bottom. When you see this crossover, see that price is moving up, right? When you see this crossover, price moved down. When you see this crossover, price moved down. So whatever crossover happening from top to down, then we need to short sell. Whatever the crossover, wherever the crossover is happening from the bottom and price is lines are going up, and if we have a width in between, then price is moving up. So that is a simple stuff. Mainly MACD, whenever MACD zero line breaks from bottom to top, then price may move up. That time you'll get an indication of this green arrow. Similarly, from zero line, see in the right side here, this is the zero line. Whenever price is coming from zero line to below, we'll get a red triangle indicating price is coming bottom. That is the MACD trick, where MACD line breaks above, then market will be bullish. If MACD line breaks from top to bottom, then price will come down. But now we are taking two MACDs in this. One is fast MACD, another one is a slow MACD. That what we do. In MACD, we take 12 and 26 as a standard one. That is the old one. And new one, that 5 and 15 is the fast one, where you get a signal even before. This signal will get a little later. So if you see, this yellow line is the faster MACD, 5 and 15. And if you see this another white line, that is slow MACD, 12 and 26, that generally people use. Now how to trade on this? See, now some kind of a clumsy here, lines are intercepting one another but not moving horizontal. That case price will be there itself. Suppose if you want to short sell here, you sold it here, again price moved up. See, price is there itself. You can exit at the cost to cost. But to avoid that kind of a situation, we'll add one more indicator which will avoid this kind of a situation. For that, we are using VWAP, volume weighted average price. This is the indicator, first one that we are adding in this. In this you will get three lines. So we don't want the three lines. We'll take only two lines. We'll use only the blue color line. We'll make it that bigger and okay. So volume weighted moving average indicates that whenever price is above the blue line, that means it's a bullish. Whenever price is below to the VWAP line, that is a bearishness. See here, price is below, coming down. Price is above, going up. So with these two, you can avoid some kind of a fall signal. See, you got a sell signal here. This triangle. We are not dealing with triangle, we are dealing with crossover, but still, the zero line below, MACD says heavy bearishness. But here, price is moved bit low, but immediately price moved up. So you can't exit and you may be making some loss in this. So this line will avoid. So on top of it, you are going to buy, and on the bottom, you are going to sell. This is the theory behind VWAP line. So let us see now few stocks and how that reacted based on this strategy. Shriram Finance. Shriram Finance stock. We'll see today stuff and also previous stuff. So today price started here. If you learn from candlestick pattern basis, you see this evening star kind of a candlestick pattern and price moved on top of it. And you didn't have any kind of a crossover here. so you're not going to take a trade in this, but in general with VWAP itself you can take a trade here as well, but we'll see a valid trade based on this strategy. So crossover happened, right? Price is on top of it. So based on candlestick pattern, see this morning star kind of a candlestick pattern, you need to buy on top of it, but we will buy very close to the VWAP line where price will come and take the trade and move up, right? We'll see one short sell trade. Crossover happened here and price is again below to that, and you can see that bearish engulfing kind of a candlestick pattern here. Below you will be short selling and you will be making this big profit in this, from this crossover to this crossover. Crossover happened here, but price is below, we are not going to take a trade. This is the bearish stuff. Price is way below. Price needs to go up and we need to short sell, but all green candles we are not going to take a trade. We need to have some kind of a bearish candlestick pattern to enter. We got a short sell signal here. Price is above. When price breaks here, we need to buy here. We need to short sell here and see such a big downfall in this stock. So hope you understand how this will work. Crossover happened, candles are moving up. See the hammer candle. Hammer candle, if you find, color doesn't matter, on top of it is your buy. But if you miss, you got again morning star kind of a candlestick, you can move on. And if you missed this kind of a trade somewhere, see this bearish harami kind of a candlestick, bullish harami candlestick pattern. Buy here, SL here, this is your profit. Crossover happened here, price is on top of it, entry, you can get good profit. See now, if you find entry and price is above VWAP, then buy very near to the VWAP line will help you to get great profit in your pocket. Let us see another stock, L&T. Lawson and Repo. Let us see what happened with the L&T stock today. L&T stock first candle itself, we got a crossover. On top of it we need to buy, and even on top of it you are very near to the VWAP line. If you buy, then you can make a good profit. If you miss the trade, still you can find some kind of a candlestick pattern here. From there price moved one way. As today is heavy bullishness, so we should not consider that trade as an example. Let us take another examples and see how this will happen. Crossover happened here, but price is on top, we should not take a trade. When you see this candle, and also you got an indication on below that your entry. See very close to the VWAP line your entry and your SL on top of it. 1:2 you got somewhere here, and see that it's a very heavy bearishness on the particular day. Crossover happened, price is on top of it, and you can find some kind of a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern, small red one, or else these three candles called morning star kind of a candlestick pattern, you can get a trade in that. Now zigzag line, price is on VWAP line, not moving either sides, better don't take that trade. BEL. If you find such a big candle, then better don't take, and moreover we are taking trades only after 9:45. So see, this crossover happened here, price is below, you can take a trade here, but price is way below to this. So this part is your trade, and you got a small profit on the short side, though we have heavy bullishness on today. Crossover happened here on this candle, and you can see a big hammer candle, and below it your entry, on top of it is your SL, and this is your profit. So when you see price moved two candles below, immediately bring back your SL to cost, then you can exit somewhere here.